Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am on Sunday evening at 7:50 in the evening, and I just decided, you know what, I'll decorate my planner for the week of October 23rd through the 29th, and I'll be using these Cozy Morning stickers from Pretty Little Studios. I bought these last year and I've just been hanging on to them and I haven't ever used them. So I'll be using these in my Hobonichi cousin for the weekly spread as well as the daily spread. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to grab are these washi, or this washi. Is this washi? This washi is from the washi tape shop, and I enjoy it because it goes with pretty much anything. So I'm gonna grab this. Ooh. I know some people would like make sure that it is evenly across, but for me, I actually like when it goes a little bit over. And oh, let's make sure that it's right side up. And I like it when things aren't exact. So, oh, that's pretty. Although I do just want them to line up along the vertical portion. Cute. Okay. Then I think I'm going to cut this in half and place one on either side of the page. I had been kind of putting off decorating this spread. I was like, no, I'll do this tomorrow. I'll do it on Monday. It's fine. I was having such an off day today. And when I say off day, I think I was just overstimulated and totally overwhelmed that I couldn't do certain things, like just even having a conversation with, you know, my husband, and just being around a lot of people was very tough today. Oh, I like the effect of that. But planning and coming back to planning, I feel a little better. And if I sneeze, ooh, I feel that tickle. But anyway, I do feel better about coming in here and doing some decorating of my Hobonichi. So I'm placing elements around the spread where I normally would place them. I think for me, I already know where most of these are gonna go because I know how I like my spread. So for me, where I place the stickers down isn't a huge kerfuffle every week. It's pretty much, I know where they should go according to where I like them. I can just grip that. This will go here. And actually, I'm gonna put the other half here, which is not something I normally do. But yeah, let's do that. Then I'm gonna leave these and then place a little deco around. Oh gosh, these are so cute. Ah, oh no. Oh well. Surprised that I haven't used this before this, but I felt like they were so fall inspired that I couldn't really use them at any other time of year. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can use one more. Yes, I need to put one there. So let's do the book. And then the rest will be used for my, daily spreads. Okay, so it doesn't feel like there's a lot of color here, but I do want to use an ink that is a good color to go with it. But yeah, so there's Birmingham Pen Co. Fox Squirrel, which is currently in my Just Turnings pen. Where actually, this will be easier if I do this. So pull out my currently inked. Here we go. So that could go quite well, but it would just all look very one note. You know, it would look all very one note. Like I could definitely use the Pelikan M800 again with the Peter Moss because there is some green. Oh, there is Diamine Earl Grey, which would go well, I think. So I think I'm gonna use, I did want to use though this because it's pretty. Yeah, it is pretty, but the ink in it is lovely. So maybe I'll use this in my journaling spread, but for the actual planner portion, I will use my Pelikan M800 with the Ferris Wheel Press Peter Moss. So let's go ahead and put in my sleep here. Now I do have to admit that last week I was not great about filling in my planner spread after decorating it. I have some weeks that are just like that where I decorate it and then I don't fill it in after. I do journal. I still do my journaling, but when it comes to actually filling it out, I haven't been as good. Oh, I do want to use this though. You know what? I will. Just go with what you want to do. Oh yeah. But yeah, even today, like I was saying, I was having a very off day, just very overstimulated. And even now, this is probably the most talking I have done all day. Just making sure I'm still straight. And I feel okay doing that. I say with you guys, but really this is me just in a room by myself, talking to a camera and getting my thoughts out. And it is actually very therapeutic. So I'm going in here and writing in work and meals and then drawing the arrows in for my work shifts. And I'm going to alternate. I know some people like just one color ink, and it's normally black ink in your planner spreads, but this is one of the things I have loved or have come to love about fountain pens is all the different inks that are available. Like you will never, ever, ever, ever run out of fountain pen inks to try because there's just always new ones coming out. And that also should say to me that I don't have to buy every ink that I try. I don't have to buy a bottle of every ink that I try because there's always going to be a new one. And plus I love this pen because this has a Yovo nib, but it's a fine Yovo nib that's been ground into a cursive smooth italic by Jack Hernandez. And then Thursday, and I have been using my Pelikan M800 basically every day since unboxing it, and I love it so, so, so much. And let's do this one here. And I love picking that one up every single day. Okay, so Friday, I don't think I actually have any appointments on the Friday. So now that I've done all of this, let's go in day by day and do like my to-do list and my appointments. Okay, so then let's go into Monday at 2 o'clock. I have, I guess, FaceTime call. Okay, and then I do have to do the meal planning and order groceries. Oh, that's gonna squish. And then on then Tuesday, actually the other thing I need to do, I'm gonna remind myself to do it basically first thing. Call Dr. Johnston. And actually there's other things I have 2 orders to work on, and I need to finalize a vinyl. Okay. Then Tuesday, nothing on Tuesday except put out garbage. And then Wednesday, nothing. Thursday is pick up groceries. And I'm gonna find, let's grab my handy dandy sticker album from According to Allie. And let's see. Yeah, let's grab I'm gonna try and work as much as I can through all of these icon stickers because I went a little crazy with them, as I normally do with sticker orders, and now I have so many. Pick up groceries and then put out garbage. These ones are from Paper Bits Co. and they are adorable. Then Friday, I have to do a couple of things. So Friday, I have to go to Weight Watchers. And then I do have to film. And I'm hoping there is a new Pen Day video that I can film, or the ink mixing, and the cousin, or, yeah, we'll see. That was the other thing. And then I do have to go to the clinic. Then I'm going to pick up the kids and take them for boba. Okay. Oh, and then I remembered on Monday I have to do bed linens. Then Saturday, oh, what is the time of my appointment? I have to check my phone. Yes, so I first put my appointments in my phone and then put them into my planner. So 9:45, I am donating blood. And then at 12:15, flu shot and COVID booster. And then no other plans for that day. And then the 29th, Henry has Ninja. Whoops. Oh, I just dropped a set of stickers. This is why I need to put them away. So Henry with Ninja. And I actually went today to see Henry at Ninja, and it was actually so fun to watch him, but it was very overwhelming to be in a place that was just so loud. And then what else I have to do that day is I will need to print and cut the finalized things for a collab I am doing. What am I looking for? Just planning. This is work. So I need to find work. I mean, those are cute. Where are, there. These are from Planner Monkey Co. silhouette stickers. I will have to print and cut some stickers. Okay, which means I have to finish designing them by then. And then that morning is also cleaning. Yeah, this is time for me to either clean this out and minimize this because there's a lot. So cleaning, and I have to take the laundry sticker out. So clean. So cleaning, the usual, bathrooms. And I wipe down the kitchen cabinets and appliances, cabinets. My husband does the vacuuming, and he does the windows. Henry goes to grab all the garbage bins. And then my daughter, actually she will mop and do the door handles and light switches. And then I think Saturday night I will be folding laundry. Woo-hoo. So fun. But actually the nights that I have where I'm staying in and folding laundry, I mean, you guys know sometimes it's just so nice to not have any plans and to just be able to stay home, you know? So fold laundry. All right, I don't think there's anything else for me to add. Now, I did say earlier in this video that last week I did not really do any after the pen potting, but for me, it's just the act of doing this has just been helpful for me, and it'll be nice to look back on it as well. Oh, all right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.